Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Davian here, checking in. We're doing a little market analysis report today. A lot of things are happening in the market. The market seems to be down today. Today's Thursday, April 7th, and the entire market, when I woke up, was down. Just like everything's negative, red. Crypto markets are red, stock market's red. Everything's just negative. Very few stocks are in the positive. Only stocks I see are really in the positive. Today, Hewlett Packard, Warren Buffett bought 11 billion worth of Hewlett Packard, so their stock is up. Pfizer announced their new drug for alopecia, relevant, pick it. And a couple of other stocks are up, really just the healthcare stocks. Moderna is up, more vaccines coming out. So let's take a look at some stuff and let's show what's really going on. A couple of reasons why I think the market is going to be crashing today. Why I think it may continue to crash the rest of the month, even though April is normally an up month. So let's take a look at it real quick. All right, close this, open this up. So first thing I like to look at, always, when you're checking out the markets, you got to see what the US dollar is doing. If you're not looking at the US dollar while trading in the markets, you're not paying attention to the money because the US dollar was backing everything else. So you got to look here first. Dollar is up today. So $1.9974. That's really good, showing very strong in the dollar. The dollar has been doing significantly well ever since the war started in Ukraine and Russia, by America effectively devaluing the Russian ruble. It has put America in a strong sense of power, giving us a lot more leverage. So our dollar is currently up. Reasons why stock goes up. So when the dollar goes up, the stocks go down. When the dollar goes down, stocks go up, because when the dollar is worth more, now you can only buy less things. You can buy more things with the dollar. So giving the dollar a little bit more power. Vice versa, when the dollar goes down, all stocks are going up because now it's cheaper to buy things. Just keep looking at the correlation between the dollar and stocks. You'll always check it out. All right, anyways, this right here. So the Fed has announced to shrink its balance sheets by 95 billion a month. So the Federal Reserve, over here, these guys are going to be lowering. Got a couple sites open for them. But anyways, they're going to be cutting their balance sheets. So if any of you guys remember, in the beginning of the pandemic, massive sell-offs in the market, everything shut down, the whole entire economy shut down. The Federal Reserve stepped in and said, hey, we're going to add to our balance sheets to solve the markets. When this happened, I thought it was a huge mistake. I did not think that the Federal Reserve should be stepping in to be buying markets from retail investors. You have essentially the bank that produces the money buying the assets and the commodities that the country provides. Huge no-no, but Federal Reserve is like, hey, we're above you, can do whatever we want. So now they have added trillions of dollars of US assets, bonds, treasuries, mortgages, all to their balance sheets. And now they got to sell, now they're selling it. So this sell-off of 95 billion a month is, they said it's going to happen for 3 months, and if there's little market reaction to it, that they'll slow down. If there's no market reaction, they will keep buying. If there is market reaction, that they would slow down and halt after 3 months. So we're in day 2 of this, because this happened yesterday that it was announced. The effects of it were really felt yesterday. The market was down a little bit yesterday, but it's really down today, more than it was yesterday. So something else we have to keep an eye on. This is going to have a lot of ripple effects as we kind of go on. So they're doing 65 billion in treasuries they're getting rid of, and 35 billion in mortgages that they're getting rid of, that are currently on their balance sheets that they bought from the banks in order to support the American economy. Now those are going away. They're also looking for a 50 BP hike appropriate. So a couple of things are going on right now. Just we got to keep an eye on this. Another thing that happened just moments ago is Judge Jackson, not Supreme, Supreme Court Judge Jackson has just been nominated. This happened about 10 minutes ago. She is now into the Supreme Court. It wasn't really a surprise that she was going to be elected. Everybody knew she was going to be elected. Republicans, Democrats, they did the hearings. And they all the Republicans oh, we don't want you. We don't want you. Democrats are, oh yeah, we can't wait to have you. Everybody knew it was going to pass. 53-47, nothing surprising there. First Black woman to be elected to the Supreme Court. I would like to say that it was a big mountain of history to be done, but there was a black judge woman who was nominated 2 decades ago. And this guy actually voted against that black judge. So people want to say, oh, it's diversity hire. I mean, you see my skin color. I don't care what your skin color is. I only care what your actual values are. A woman who can't say what a woman is, not sure if I want her on the Supreme Court, but that's neither here or there, somewhere else. Yeah, but anyways, that's our market analysis for today. Look for more further market crashes tomorrow and Friday. May see a little bit of a recovery on Monday, but we don't know. We just gotta wait and see. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys have a great day. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Deuce.